Hi everybody, Samantha Shriver, Independent Stampin' UP Demonstrator, coming to you today with a new card tutorial. Today we're going to make this cute winter card using the pig from the Joyful Life stamp set, and then the sentiment is from Delivering Cheer stamp set. We're going to do some masking and blending with our blender brushes, and then we're going to do some coloring with our Stampin' Blend markers. I wanted to just tell you guys about two quick specials. The first one we are having from November 4th to November 30th, a starter kit deal. So it'll be $75 for the starter kit. Free shipping, you just pay tax. You can choose any items that you want for your starter kit. That's a great deal. Normally it's $99, but now it's $75 and you choose up to $125 worth of product for free. Like I said, even free shipping, you just pay tax only. And then we're having a seasonal sale from November 16th to November 18th. This is a wonderful sale as well. You get 20% off dies, 15% off ink pads, and 10% off of cardstock. So November 16th to November 18th, that's a wonderful sale. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If you don't mind just liking this video and subscribing to my channel so you get alerted to any new videos that come out. And please feel free to leave me a comment. I would love to hear where you guys are watching from. And I hope you have a great weekend. Today we're going to make this winter card with this cute little pig from the Joyful Life stamp set. We're going to be doing some blending with the masks and the blending brushes, and then also using the Stampin' blends as well. So first we are going to take our shaded spruce cardstock, and we're going to cut this for our card base. This is going to be cut to 5 1/4 by 4 inches. Then we are going to grab our masks. I am using this snowflake mask from the Adorning Designs Decorative Mask Set. I just want to grab a piece of white paper that we can put underneath this for when we ink up the paper. So I'm just going to tape this down quick. I'm going to put the tape on the mask, not covering the cardstock. And I love the look of the shaded spruce ink on the shaded spruce cardstock. We're going to grab our blender brushes. I have one color or one brush per color. So I'll have like one for all my greens, one for all my blues, one for all my yellows, etc. These brushes are so soft. I love them. So let's start inking. I'm just going to do round circles. I'm going to get the extra ink off on the side and then just start doing circular motions all over the mask. Okay, I do go over it a couple times just to make sure I'm getting all the areas. We're going to lift this up and see how it looks. That looks pretty good. I think I'm just going to do a little more on the bottom right hand side. it was a little light on this area. All right, perfect. Just gonna lift that up. It does get your hands a little inky, but that's okay, it washes off easy. I'm gonna take my card base, and then we're gonna adhere this. All right, and then our next piece, we're going to be doing this berry layer. So this berry paper is from the Painted Christmas Designer Series paper set. I love this paper. I actually used it to make all my Christmas cards this year. I love the designs in it. So we have our piece of berry paper, and then this piece is going to be cut at our 5 1/4. I may already have it at that. Yep, 5 1/4. And then we're gonna do 1 1/2. That's just gonna be our little strip. Adhere this on. All right, and then next we are going to do the blending for our pig. I'm not doing a lot of blending this time. It's more just coloring in of the pig. So we're gonna do that quick. We need to stamp our pig first. I usually let it dry for the ink dry for about an hour, so I do have one that's already dry. So for the stamp sets we're using for this, the pig is from our Joyful Life stamp set. Let me take him out. This is the cutest little pig ever. I've used him on so many cards. He's the reason I bought the stamp set, and then I ended up using all the other images too, but the pig was definitely the reason I got it. I just love him with his little scarf and his little coffee. So we're gonna stamp him. And then another tip I wanna give you is if you stamp him and the top of the coffee cup comes out not solid black, you can take your black Stampin' Blend, or you can also use your black Stampin' Write marker, and you can just color that in more so that it shows up more solid. I do end up doing that a lot. Then our other image is from our Delivering Cheer stamp set. So I used the Warming Thoughts to Send to You this season. I thought that was a good sentiment to go with the pig since he's holding the little coffee cup. So let's stamp that. I love the font of the sentiments in this Delivering Cheer stamp set. So we're going to stamp that. And then like I said, since I do usually let this dry and I'm doing the video, I have one that was already pre-stamped. So we're going to use this one to color in the blends. And then I used the Stitch So Sweetly dies. I used the second largest stitch scallop rectangle for this. And then the colors that we're going to be using today for our blends is our Dark Real Red, our Dark Shaded Spruce, we have Dark Petal Pink, Light Petal Pink, Light Flirty Flamingo, And then we have our light granite gray. So I'm just going to get to coloring this really quick. Okay, so there's our pick all colored in, and I just used that light granite gray to do a little shadow on the cup. I did a little blending on the pig, but not much blending, more just coloring with this. So we are going to adhere this to our card. That doesn't. Okay. We're gonna just put this right here. And then I decided after I made this card that I wanted to add these gems. These are so pretty. These are our wonderful gems. And I had my, okay, here it is, my Take a Pick tool. And we'll put one there. And then I'm just gonna take a smaller one and put it over there. And then that's it. That's our card. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love the blending, the shaded spruce ink on the shade spruce cardstock, and then using the Stampin' blends. I feel like it's a pretty simple card to make. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend.